So any of the product implementation, like it could be Identity IQ or Identity Now, Identity Now or Okta, we'll be having a two kind of environments. We'll be having a two kind of environment. One is a production environment, other one is the sandbox environment. So what is a production environment? Production environment is basically is meant for real-time users. So in the real-time users, they will be having on users on the URL, and that URL they are going to use it, and they will do whatever they want. Like they can place a request, they can track their requests, those things and all. Next is sandbox environment. What is the sandbox environment? Sandbox environment is created as a parallel site to the production instance, and for the sandbox also will be having a URL. Okay, and this environment is not available to the users. So normally some projects, the project managers and all, they will be using the word called a sandbox. And this is the one technical word. And if you know the same technical words in the project meetings and all, they'll be using instead of test, okay, other word, they'll be using like they'll be using sandbox environment. They will use the name what is sandbox. So here simply sandbox is it is an environment which is parallel to production environment. And it is sandbox environment, it is always good to keep the good status, because before deploying any changes in the production environment, we will be keeping the changes into the sandbox environment. And once the testing is over, the sandbox environment, whatever the things we did, once testing is over, we will be promoting the changes into the production environment. That's where it is important your sandbox environment should be good. So there are two environments. One is a production environment. One is a production environment. Other one is sandbox environment. Thank you.